Hey, today I'm going to be sharing with you how to make your very own paper rings. Yes, you heard it right. It's a lovely paper craft anyone can do, the adults, the kids, the teens. These will provide a fun little activity to do with the whole family. So let's just jump right into it. We're going to need craft paper 8 by 10 inches, then decorative tapes of all sorts, of course craft glue and Mod Podge glue, and then I'm going to get a painting brush, a pencil, and of course a ruler and scissors. So we're going to take one of our craft papers, we're going to get a ruler and draw a line to create this lovely strip. And then another one, of course. These are for the rings. I'm then going to get one of the strips and just line it around my finger to make sure that it fits my finger exactly. You can do it with any finger on your hand. Make sure to bend where the ring stops. And then we're going to get a toothpick actually and apply a little bit of craft glue and stick one end to the other to create a lovely ring. And then I'm going to just roll the rest of the strip because we want our ring to be obviously more layers than just one to make it more sturdy and more durable. Finally, just apply more glue to the end of the ring and glue it up. Give it some time to dry and your ring is almost ready. I'm going to do exactly the same thing with the other rings. Get creative, do whatever you want, it's fun. Then I'm going to get some of the decorative tape and basically apply it to the ring to create something a little more interesting. With another ring, I decided to get some of the golden tape and just get a little strip and put it in the middle of the ring. Finally, you can get some Mod Podge and apply it to the outer and inner section of the rings to make them sturdier. Mod Podge will eventually dry and will be transparent, but the rings will be shinier and they will look sturdier. Feel free to stick a few plastic crystals to the rings to make them look extra special. As you can see, this is a lovely craft that anyone, and when I say anyone, I truly mean anyone, can make. It's gorgeous, simple, cheap, it's made out of paper. It's just a fun little activity you can do with the kids, with your teens, or just by yourself. So get creative and enjoy! If you like this craft, please subscribe and like this video.